Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search for Gmail. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will click on storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.